Uh, Good afternoon, guys, from Northeast, and good afternoon, India. In particular, I'm addressing today to my Northeast friends, and I'm very happy the kind of love and support I'm getting from my fellow people, because a lot of messages I have been getting in my messenger. Actually, I have been on and off. I'm on and off with my lives, that for a particular community. So I have seen many of them, they are liking my videos, although they don't belong to that particular community. Anyway, many of them has given me a request, but this is actually not a request. I should think that this is my responsibility to come out and appeal to the people of Northeast in particular, but India as a whole. Hope you have understood moi ki kobo bisarisu. So today I'll be mixing my language. I'll be speaking in English and Assamese as well as in Hindi. So I think all of you will be comfortable with my communication. So yes, we need to get united. And we have seen when we are united for a cause, when we fight for a cause, definitely we get the result. And the authorities, the government, yes, I just want to make something clear to my people itself, that we are not supposed to blame the government all the time, because we do have the judiciary where we have our rights, and where they have already given the laws, amended the laws even regarding regarding this issue, rape. Particularly, I'm using that word rape. So now we can expect fast track results, fast track justice from the judiciary. So why today I have come out and I'm appealing to the people. Moi aji appeal kori asu soboke so that we get united for our child from Tripura. I'm sure many of our people from Northeast, they are not aware of this issue, that a child was being gang raped in Tripura. Her name is Taktas. Maybe I might be wrong in pronouncing her name, but whoever she is, our child from Tripura who was been gang raped 5 years back, but still we're waiting for justice. This is not done. Definitely, if such cases would have happened in other parts of a country, that would have covered the TRP of national news as well as national media, and as well as the nation coming up with protest. So I am not in favor of protesting with violence. I'm in favor of protest with silence and with soberness and without hampering the guidelines of the government. So what I'm saying is, yes, I'm appealing to all my brothers and sisters of Northeast, as we have fought very recently an issue against Hema Chaudhary, who have used derogatory words, who have used unacceptable ji bhasha ami accept koribo nwaro, june heiblak bhasha use korisile amar Naga brothers and sisters or karne aru as a whole Northeaster karne. We ami tita lockdown asil, there was no one to come up with protest and all. But yes, I have seen children protesting, social media protest kori asil, and that protest has brought light to the people, and we got justice. At least what we got is she was booked under cyber crime and she has been arrested. So what I'm liking to say, moi juntu kobo bisarisu, yeah, I'm trying to say to the people of India, to the people of Northeast in particular, ami amar rightor karone ami fight koribo lagibo, so that it becomes it comes into focus to the normal people, because Tripura hua case to ami najano. Tripura, frankly speaking, mo najano. Very recently, when a leader, what to say, royal person who has posted a post in Facebook, and I came to know regarding this child Amar Swali. So she was raped 5 years back, and still they are waiting for justice. Eta to polaise, out of 5, 4 were arrested. Now there is no more waiting system. We need justice at one go, and we are, even I on behalf of Helping Hands Social Foundation, that is a different issue, and I on behalf of our Northeast people, I on behalf of all concerned parents, to give justice to this child as soon as possible. Aru মই বিচাৰো আমাৰ এইবিলাক ইস্যু যেতিয়া হয় আমি নৰ্থ ইষ্ট ডেফিনেটলি আমাক যিহেতু আমাক এড্ৰেছ কৰা হয় ইন নেশ্যনেল লেভেলতো দিজ পিপল আৰ ফ্ৰম নৰ্থ ইষ্ট I'm not trying to spread hatred, but I'm trying to spread awareness among our people that if we fight united we get justice. And definitely মোক বহুত ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰা হৈছে মোৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ বিলাকে যে please come up with this issue, and we would like to, we want more. Like, yes, I'm not the one, suppose I can convince at least 200 people, that also will be enough for me. And another people like us, amar nisna aru manhu, they should come up and let us protest, peace protest, let us protest, and let us demand immediate justice for our child. She is our child from Northeast. এই ছোৱালীজনী ত্ৰিপুৰাৰ ছোৱালী নহয়, she is আমাৰ ছোৱালী. আজি কালি আৰু এজন, because these cases have increased in Northeast. Definitely আমাৰ ইয়াতে ইমান Northeastত, I'm born and brought up, I'm from Northeast, but we are not aware, we are not so much acquainted with this type of cases before, but now আমি দেখি আছো এইবিলাক কেছ বহুত হৈ আছে. So we have to we have to stop it once and for all. And I request all child organizations, I request all women organization, let's inquire about this issue. Let's get updated with this particular issue, and let us see, and let us not miss a point where she will be exempted of getting justice. We want justice for the child, a child of ours. Aru aji jodi ami mat namatu tetia hole kali apunar swali logot hobo, kali apunar family logot hobo, kali apunar mar logot hobo, apunar bhontir logot hobo. Then who will raise your voice? If we are united, people also will get scared. Definitely ei bostutue jai pelai directly or indirectly at a pressure create koribo. And yes, we have 100% faith on our judiciary system. I don't understand why the case was suppressed for such a long time. 5 years, okay, better late than never. Now we are awake. We have seen Nirvaya's case where thousands and thousands of people came out. We even came out for her justice, and now we demand people from that part of India also to come out for this Nirbhaya from Northeast to get justice for her. Ami Nirbhayar homoy gang rape Nirbhaya, from Delhi, তেওঁৰ সময়তো we fought for her. We came together, আমি সবে উলাই আহিছিলো তাইক জাস্টিস দিবৰ কাৰণে. हम सब आए थे उनके जस्टिस के लिए. We fought for her. So I request everyone from other parts of our country, apart from Northeast also, to give a supporting hand. Yes, I'm thankful to Hindustani Bhav. Yesterday I saw him. He had given an appeal to the people of India to raise our voice regarding this child issue. Definitely what we expect from you all, my dear Indians, brothers and sisters, please raise your voice for her also. Ami jenuka justice bisarisilu for her, we want justice for this child, our child. Ye ladki bhi ab logo ki ladki hai, she is a child of yours. So all the organization of India who really works for these kind of activities, who are concerned about these kind of criminal activities, please come up and please reopen this issue, and please raise your voice and from on behalf of us, please you make sure these things come to the national media and let us reopen this issue and let us wait for the justice. I also request, there are certain medias where our Northeast people represent there as, you know, one of the great reporters, one of the great journalists in India who have who have made a name of their own in the field of journalism. I request them also to bring up this issue. This is also a national issue, because even she is from Tripura, though she is from Tripura, if we think Tripura is a part of India, so this is an issue, this is a national issue. So what I want is even, the national media, the state media, whoever, whatever way should come up with this issue. And please, to all of you who have fought for Nirbhaya, who have, fought for her justice during that time, we have come up with Candle March, we have come out, lot of activities. So I expect the same for our girl also. Please do support this issue, and please let us do support the people who have brought this issue up again, reopen this case again. And I don't think we should wait, because it's already 5 years. She has lost her life, and she has been gang raped. So these should not be, this should be taken into consideration, and they should be punished. There should be no hearing, no more hearing, please. So মই আমাৰ অসমবাসীক বুলি নহয়, everyone from Northeast, my children, my friends, my fellow friends from other parts of Northeast, 7 states of this part of Northeast, to come up with this particular issue, and please give justice. Let us fight for giving justice to our child, to this child of Tripura, because she is our child, and this might happen to any of us, any of our children, if we don't stop this type of activities once for and all. Because already the Supreme Court has, passed new laws regarding this. We do have the scope of getting justice on fast track basis. Definitely we can take the advantage of that, and we can expect free and fair trial regarding this issue. So my dear friends, মোৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱ, মই সবকে মই আজি appeal কৰি আছো, আমি violence-ত যাব নালা, but with peace and love, let us আমি government of India, government of ৰেসপেক্টিভ গভৰ্ণমেণ্টকো এই বস্তুটো আমি ফ'কাছত আনিব লাগে। আৰু মই নেশ্যনেল মিডিয়া, আমাৰ লোকেল মিডিয়া, চবফালে আমি বিচাৰোঁ এইটো লৈ এটলিষ্ট 2 minutes টাইমো যদি আমি এই ইছ্যুটোক লৈ আমি কথা পাতোঁ, ডেফিনেটলি সবৰ মাথাত, সবৰ মূৰত, সবৰ তাত যাব, and definitely in this way they will not be pressurized, because it has been mentioned that the criminals tried to pressurize the victim's family by giving money that they shouldn't go for any case and all. So definitely those are innocent people, those are people from interior areas, but we are the voice of those people. So expecting genuine support from all of you, I do like to take leave from this life. Thank you very much.